Hi, my name is Mark Harvey, and I just want to give you a few tips on how you can create that mindset and that success up front, so then the day is success every day. This is very simple and it's overlooked by many people, and there are some people that don't know about this. There's some people who do know about it. There's some people who know about it and probably did it for a little while, but they don't do it all the time. And this is very simple. All you need to do is, the first thing when you wake up in the morning is actually get out of bed and celebrate, however that is. Just a yes, clench your fist or something, and just tell yourself, today is gonna be a great day. Today is where my deals come in. Today is where my projects move forward and make progress. Just keep it simple. You could just keep it simple. Yes, today's gonna be a great day. But you've gotta tell yourself. You've gotta give yourself that mindset, and you've gotta celebrate. You've gotta celebrate all wins anyway. But here's another thing if you want to take celebrating to another level, and that is that just celebrate for no reason. Why? Because you start to attract the future successes into your life. Now look, if you understand anything about law of attraction, vibration, energy, you know that this is the way it works. But even the people I see all the time, they know how it works, but they don't really do what they know. So look, just do this for a week and see how you feel. Comment below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for many more information around property, investing, growing yourself, your wealth, and making sure you just have a fulfilling life.